Hey everybody, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm at the airport and I am renting a car, another day a car. So today is going to be an awesome day. We're going to the beach again. Yay! Oh, and by the way, my name is Shauna and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! So guys, yeah, stick around. It'll be interesting, I hope. And today's tennis practice. Try to play tennis daily, except on the weekend. Weekend is paused, but in general, try to play tennis. So, anywho, guys, stick around and don't forget, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to hear more from me, yeah, subscribe. Okay, guys, I'm gonna give you a little tour of the airport. Just a little tour. I'll show you what it looks like. Airport right now, and oh my gosh, it is so, this is so crazy. This is like the cheapest what do you call it, ticket. This is my ticket to check out, and oh my gosh, it is so cheap. I'm gonna show you guys how cheap it is when you come here. If you rent a car and you want to pick somebody up from the airport, just a second. Did you guys, that's right, you saw right, 45 cents. Talking about cheap, and I was there for at least an hour, 45 minutes. That's not bad, is it? Oh my goodness. Anywho, I just wanted to share that real quick.